Hello, NEET aspirants. Welcome to Map My Tutor. My name is Dr. Sugandha and I'm your chemistry tutor. In this video, I'm going to guide you in a simple and practical way to achieve maximum marks in NEET Chemistry 2026. Last time, students feel that exam was little difficult, but actually it was not. Exam was totally concept oriented and NCRT focused. This time, I'm very sure that the level of the exam is neither going to go down or up. So we need to see what was the exam pattern 2025. On the basis of that, you can strategize your NEET 2026 chemistry exam. From here, you can see that 21 questions were there in class 11th and 24 questions were from class 12th. Students, you can't skip either class 11th or class 12th. Both are equally important. See, in the class 11, 6 questions were from organic chemistry. That is the base of organic. That is GOC. If you don't know GOC, you can't study organic chemistry. So, please focus on this chapter. This is highly weighted chapter, most important chapter. From this chapter, you must know IUPAC, stereoisomerism, how to separate or purify the compounds, name reactions, all are equally important. Second most important chapter of organic chemistry is hydrocarbon. Only 2 chapters are there in class 11. GOC and hydrocarbon, both are important. You can't skip organic chemistry of class 11th. See, 9 questions were there only from organic chemistry. So please don't skip it. For that, you need to revise name reactions and the general reagents. Write it down on a separate paper and keep revising it till the exam daily. Okay? Next important chapters are structure of atom. This is also a highly weighted chapter. You need to know how to solve the numericals in this chapter. Very small calculation will be there. See, NEET exam calculation will not be lengthy. Only small calculations will be there. Just focus on the units and small calculation and you will definitely score good marks. Next important chapter is the chemical bonding. 2 questions were there from chemical bonding. They will ask you hybridization, bond order and geometry or shape of the molecule. This question will definitely going to come. So please don't skip this chapter as well. All these chapters are very important. From physical chemistry, you can't skip thermodynamics and equilibrium. Very small calculations and direct formula based question will going to come in the NEET 2026. I am very sure about it. So please don't skip class 11th. It is very important. 21 question came last time. Definitely this time also paper will be in proper strategic manner. Organic, inorganic and physical all will contain equal weightage. So don't skip anything. Let's move to the class 12th. Here the most weightage chapter is chemical kinetics. So write down all the formulas of the chapter on one sheet and keep revising it and try to solve as many as numericals you can solve. And sometimes direct formula based question also comes. They ask your formula only in a paper. Okay. So don't skip it. And from inorganic, this coordination compounds, this is the most important chapter. In each and every MCQ based exam, this chapter is the most important from inorganic. You need to know the IUPAC of complexes, what are ligands, type of ligands, and how to calculate the oxidation state, coordination number, geometry of these ligands. It is very important. Please, please, please solve these numericals and questions. It is very important. So these are the important chapters and the number of questions came last exam. Go through it, take a screenshot and follow accordingly. These are the list of the highly weighted chapters from physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. If you find any difficulty, then please write it down in the comment section. I will make a separate video on these important topics. So please follow Map My Tutor for getting information on these topics. It is not just about what to study. How to study is also equally important. For that, you need to follow these tips and tricks. First, is active recall. It is important that you revise your concept, close your book, and then write it down on a paper that you have remembered or not. Active learning is very important. So please follow this trick. Next is the spaced repetition. You have to revise your concept on an alternate days so that you can remember your concepts for a longer period of time. Okay, students? Next is the Feynman technique. This technique is very important. Just try to memorize it that you can explain your concepts in a easy and a simple language. If you can do that, that means you will never gonna forget that concept. So try to make it understand to a wall, to your friend or your family member so that you will never forget that concept. This is a very helpful technique in the examination. Okay, students? Next is a mind mapping. For chemistry, it is very important because sometimes we forget the reactions, formulas, numericals. So for that, please make a mind map of each and every chapter and paste it down on your wall wherever you study so that you can look on it again and again and memorize it. It is very important to make a mind map of all the organic chemistry chapters as well as important concepts of inorganic chemistry and the formulas of physical chemistry. So this is also the most important trick to clear the exam. Make a mind map of each and every chapter. It will be helpful in the last days of your preparation. Next is the practice under pressure. This is also important. Sometimes students keep revising it but don't practice. And under pressure is also important because that helps us to manage the time in the examination hall. We do practice but not in a fixed period of time. So turn on your clock, watch the time and practice your MCQ. So you understand your problems and that will help you in the exam. Okay, students? And the last but not the least, the common mistakes that kill our success that we must not do. You should follow NCERT by heart. Solve as many as MCQs you can. In the last few days, please solve full length mock test in a fixed period of time so that you can understand the time management. And you should understand your error as well, that what wrong you're doing in your concepts. Write down on your separate sheet and try to focus on that as well. So this is all from my side. If you find any difficulty in any particular topic, then please write down in the comment section and do subscribe Map My Tutor for more such videos. Thank you.